This DEIME Air Fryer offers a generous 6.2-quart capacity and strong 1500-watt heating, so it handles family-sized portions without feeling sluggish or uneven. The clear viewing window and internal light let you keep an eye on your food without opening the basket, which helps maintain heat and gives a more consistent finish. 10 straightforward presets on the touchscreen cover common foods like fries, chicken, and pizza, while manual time and temperature controls allow you to fine-tune recipes. By circulating hot air around the food, it delivers a crisp texture using very little oil, making weeknight favorites noticeably lighter than traditional deep frying. The square non-stick basket and removable rack maximize usable space, are easy to clean, and comfortably serve a small household in a single cooking cycle. Its compact footprint, multi-appliance versatility, and included recipe ideas make it a practical choice for apartments, dorms, or anyone wanting a single, do-it-all countertop cooker.